Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, I'm Mike. Nice to see you again.
Today, we are going to talk about work.
Yes, work is a big part of our life.
That's right. Let's start. So, Mike, what do you do for work?
I work in an office. I am a designer.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What kind of designer are you?
I design pictures and simple videos. I work on a computer every day.
That's cool. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like being creative. How about you, Anna? What do you do?
I'm a content creator. I make videos and write scripts.
That sounds fun. Where do you work?
I work at home. I have a small desk and a laptop.
Do you like working at home?
Yes, I do. It's quiet and comfortable.
What time do you start work?
I usually start at 9 a.m. How about you?
I start at 8:30 a.m. I finish at 5 p.m.
That's a long day. Do you take breaks?
Yes. I take a short break in the morning and another one in the afternoon.
That's good. Breaks are important.
Do you drink coffee when you work?
Yes, I do. I drink 1 cup in the morning.
Me too. Coffee helps me focus.
Do you listen to music when you work?
Sometimes. I like soft music.
Me too. It helps me relax.
What do you like most about your job?
I like being free. I can choose my time.
That's nice. What is difficult about your job?
Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I have too much work.
I understand. My job can be busy too.
Do you want to change your job in the future?
Maybe. I want to learn new skills.
That's great. Learning is very important.
Yes. How about you?
I want to keep improving my English and make better content.
That's a good goal.
It was nice talking about work today.
Yes. I enjoyed it a lot.
Thank you for listening.
We hope you learned something today.
See you next time. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.